Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today, guys, I share with you for more stunning and elegant ideas, more elegant videos, and this video is all about the cardigans designs. You look so stunning, so gorgeous, so amazing designs, amazing videos. Are you like our videos? If any videos related to more amazing ideas, more amazing videos, you look so perfectly. Are you like our videos? If you guys are interested in my videos, are amazing ideas, you look so stunning, you look so gorgeous videos, amazing designs. If any videos related to any pattern, related to any gorgeous videos, are you like our videos, will be there and share more attractive design. You look so stunning, so gorgeous cardigans designs for every country's girls, university college girls easily carry this. And amazing designs, amazing ideas. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegance and more gorgeous ideas, more stunning videos, more elegance ideas. If you guys are interested in my videos, you look so gorgeous ideas. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.